Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you'd like to create a Google Ads account without creating a campaign, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to get it done. Alright, so what we've done here is we've jumped into ads.google.com, and this is the sign up for a new account, right? So now it's asking for me to create my first campaign within a few simple steps. Okay, so we're going to go and click on create your first campaign. So you'll now have to add your business name as well as your business URL website, and then you can also add your business phone number and your app download page. Once you're done filling in this information, you can go and click on next. Now this is not for the campaign, this is just for the account creation. So let's go ahead and fill this in. Over here, you will be prompted to link accounts, so Google Merchant, Google Business Profile, phone number. You can also go down over here and you can see you can link your YouTube channel as well as a mobile app. You can go ahead and click on skip. The next section over here you will see is you'll choose your goals for the campaign that you'll be creating, but we will be skipping this section because we do not want to create our campaign. Here you can see you'll have to choose your campaign type. Again, we're going to go and click on skip, and here it'll give you the final option to leave campaign creation. Let's go ahead and click on this. Of course, here you will continue to create your Google Ads account. So you'll add in your billing country, your time zone, as well as your currency of choice. You're going to go ahead and click on continue, and here you can confirm your account and payment settings. So we are going to choose our country, time zone, and then if we have an optional offer code, and then a payments profile. So you'll need to create a new payments profile right over here. And then you're going to go down and it says, do you want a personalized guidance from Google Ads, account strategists? You can either say yes or no, and then you can get tips, promos, offers, so on. You can choose either yes or no. Once you've added all of this information in, you will go ahead and click on submit. Once you're done, you'll end up on this page over here where you'll be able to manage your Google Ads account without actually having any campaigns, as you can see right over here. I hope this was helpful.